Dear children, so in the previous section I discussed about the graph and all. So the chapter probability we have to see. So probability means the chance of happening of any event. Probability means the possibility of happening any event. Now, for example, certain situations are there which are having their possibilities to happen. Some work we do and some work we leave and we promise to do in future. So, what is the possibility that we will do that work? All those things we study, or we see certain thing and we try to guess something. So all those things where we are guessing or where we are finding the chance whether the work can be done, whether it can be completed or not. Those are all things we are studying in this chapter named probability. For example, when we throw a coin, means we toss a coin. We toss a coin. So there are two possibilities of getting the result. Means two outcomes are possible. One is head on the top, one is tail on the top. Any other possibility? No. So what is the possibility of getting a head is equal to the possibility of getting a tail, because both are having equal possibility, either head or tail. No any other coin will come if it is not biased, unbiased coin we are considering. We are getting a February of 30 days. February of 30 days. Is it possible? No. It cannot possible. It is impossible. It will never happen. Okay? Then rain in month of July. So, good chance it can happen. Possible there. Possibility is there. Because that is the season. Possibility. So, some events are there which can happen. Some events are there which cannot happen. And some events are there which are happening sure. Like Tuesday after Monday. Tuesday after Monday, 100% sure it will come. So this is certain. What do we call it? Certain. Not possible, it is certain. This is certain, this is impossible, this is possible, this is having good chance. It means we are somewhere talking about possibilities of happening an event as well as not happening an event. So all these things are studied under probability. Let's see the exercise 16a and try to get some answers as the questions are being asked. So very first question that you are seeing is the chance. You have to write whether the chances are possible, certain or impossible. So for possible you have to write 1, for impossible 2, for certain 3. First A. You will throw an 8 with a normal die. So you might have played Ludo. When you are throwing the Ludo, are you getting 8 ever? No. So what you will write? 2. Impossible. We cannot get. B. Your uncle will call you tonight. Possibility is there. So it is 1. C. A mouse will give birth to puppies next year. Impossible. D. A Friday will be the day after Thursday next week. It is certain, 100%. So it is 3. E. You will have milk, omelette and pancakes for breakfast today. So it is depending on person to person. Some are vegetarian, some are non-vegetarian. If you are non-vegetarian, possibility is there. So you will write 1. If you are non-vegetarian, at least you will have milk. So, but for you it is impossible because at your home it is not allowed. So it is up to you. You can write by yourself. F. It will be winter in Australia when it is summer in India. So is it correct? Let me check one time. Certain. 3. Now G. You will be able to see a live dinosaur in the city zoo. Impossible. H. You will be awarded a prize for your good performance. Possible. So 1. So like that we have seen all the answers. Question number 2. Categorize each outcome as likely or unlikely. Let us see. Question number 2. You will not get reservation in the train due to heavy Diwali rush. Obviously, if there is heavy Diwali rush, we cannot get. So likely to happen. 1. 2A. 2B. Your friend will go to the moon next year. Very unlikely. C. Someone in your class will be absent next week. Likely. It will snow in Kashmir in January. Likely. There will be flood in Delhi in March next year. Unlikely. How it will be flood in March? You will play sport at school today. Likely. Choose the likelihood which matches the outcome of each events. 1 for impossible, 2 for unlikely, 3 for even chance, 4 for likely, 5 for certain. See the first one. The school cricket team will win the local tournament. So, a good chance we have. So, it is likely. 4. Third A we will write 4. B. Mr. Dinesh will cut the grass in his garden when it is snowing. So, it is not possible. So, 1. It is not possible to cut the grass in snow. While going to school, you will pass by a black car. It is likely to happen. So 4. Like that, try to fill the other terms given to you. Now, after this, we will see what is the meaning of possibility. And let us see what is the meaning of probability. So, my dear children, probability means the probability of an event lies between 0 to 1. Probability always lies between 0 to 1. Probability lies between 0 to 1. Where 0 is impossible, then 1 is certain. In between that can happen. Let us see certain cases. If we throw a dice, so it is having 6 faces. Suppose there is 6. On the top we have 3. Here we have 1. On this face we have 4. These 6 are of this. On the bottom we have 5. And 2 we have on the back side. So when you will roll, you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Only these are the possible outcomes. What do we call them? Outcomes. These are the possible outcomes while rolling a die. If we throw a coin, so what are the possibilities? Either head or tail. Any other possibility? No. Suppose we have, how we will find? See, whenever we are calculating probability, we are representing it by P of E. So we write total chance of happening. Total chance of happening. And it is divided by favorable outcome. Favorable outcome. For example, let us see a pack of cards. You might have seen a pack of cards. So pack of playing cards has 52 cards. And these cards are of two colors. One is black and one is red. Further, these cards are divided into two shapes. One is red one is divided into diamond and heart. Whereas black is divided into spade and club. Diamond is drawn like that, asteroid it is called. Heart is drawn in this manner. Spade and club is like that. Correct? Now these are divided into 13 categories. Here you have A, then 1, then 2, then 3, then 4, then 5, then 6, then 7, then 8, then 9, then 10. Other than these 10, we have one king, one queen, and one jack. So total we have 13. Similarly here also. Ace till 10, then king, queen, and jack. Here also we have 13. Here also ace till 10, then king, queen, and jack. It is also 13. And here also ace till 10, king, queen, and jack. So total we have 13 of all kinds. So if you are shuffling the pack of cards nicely and you take any card outside from it, and that card should be of a black color. So how many black colors you have, my dear children? How many black colors you have? 2. See, 13 here and 13 here and 13 here. So probability of getting a black color is 26 out of 52. Why? Because 13 and 13 we have 26 cards. That is 1 by 2. Second, probability of getting a king of red color. So there are 2 kings in red color. So 2 out of total 26 cards. Total we have 52 cards. Correct? Like that we can study more. So what is this? This is favorable outcome which is happening, and this is total outcome. Correct? Let us try to answer the questions of 16b. First, refer to the shape chart and fill in the blanks in the following table giving the probability of touching each figure. 1 is done for you. Figure. See, this is the shape chart. So a square is present 4 times. So 4 times it is being touched. First one, see, A. You are given a circle. So how many total shape are there? 32. Out of 32, what is the number of circle present? So 1, 2, 3, 3, 6 and 3, 9 and 1, 10 and 2, 12 and 3, 15. 3 and 3, 6 and 3, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. So 16 out of 32, that is 1 by 2. Second, B. Rectangle. How many times rectangle is present there? You have to see. See, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 upon 32, that is 1 upon 4. Similarly, C. Triangle, square, that is done for you. Triangle, you see. How many times? 1, 2. Only 2 triangles are present out of 32. E. This rhombus shape. 1. Only 1 is given. Correct? So 1 out of 32. Like that you can do this. Now, question number 2. A box contains 4 packs of real juice. Shruti takes out a pack without looking at the packs. What is the chance that she picks orange and lychee? So a box contains 4 packs of real juice. So number of packs 4. She takes a pack without looking at it. So given 2 lychees are there, 1 orange and 1 mixed. So probability of getting an orange will be equal to 1 upon 4. Why? Because only 1 orange is there in 4. B. Lychee. Lychee, Chinese tree actually, Chinese fruit. Lychee is 2. So 2 out of 4, that is 1 upon 2. Question number 3. In a jar, 1 blue and 9 green marbles. 1 blue and 9 green marbles are there. What is the probability of drawing a green marble? So total marbles are 10. Out of 10, first one, green marble. So how many green are there? 9. So 9 by 10. B. Blue marble. So my dear children, only 1 blue is there. So 1 out of 10. Like that we have to do. Question number 4. The 6 faces of a dice are numbered from 1 to 6. The dice is rolled. What is the chance that it will land a 4 up, a 2 up? So only 1 4 is there in 6. So A will be equal to A. Probability will be equal to 1 upon 6. Similarly, a 2 will be up is also being 1 upon 6. Fifth question. 5 girls put their name in a box. Neha, Reshma, Ananya, Payal and Megha. Megha draws a name from the box. What is the chance that she draws her own name? So number of names 5. So the probability will be equal to only 1 Neha is present out of 5. So will be 5. Sorry, Megha. Now 6. An ordinary pack of 52 cards is well shuffled. The top card is turned over. What is the probability that the top card will be a red card? And so from that, how many cards are red card? Probability will be equal to 20. You will write since total card is equal to 52. Number of red cards 26. Probability will be equal to 26 divided by 52, that is 1 by 2. B. The top card is a numbered card. So you will write number of numbered card. How many? Only 10 out of 52. The top card is a numbered card. So my dear children, there are 9. So total 9 into 4, that is 36. Therefore probability will be equal to 36 upon 52. 9 ja, 13 ja. 9 upon 14. Now, question number 7. A gift pack of chips contain, you do by yourself, you can do chips question. It is very important question, chips one. Now, question number 8. An ordinary die is rolled over the probability that the number of dots on its upper face is 3 less than the received. The possible numbers are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. Can you get more than 6? No. Less than 1? No. When you are rolling it down, the first number is a 3 number. So out of total 6, we will get only 1 3. So this will be 1 by 6. B, less than 3. So less than 3 means 2 are there. So probability is 2 by 6, that is 1 by 3. Third is an even number. So how many even numbers are there, my dear children? 1, 2, 3. Last one, 7. So 7 is not there. 0. Correct? Now, question number 9. A jar contains 3 white, 4 blue, 5 red, 2 green. So add all and then solve it. Question number 10. Draw a probability scale. Mark each of these outcomes on your scale. This is the probability scale. On that we have certain events. Correct? First one. First we will draw this scale. Here, impossible. Many spaces are, many lines are there. Let me draw again. See, impossible, unlikely, even chance, likely, certain. No. Let us see all. First, the school bus will break down tomorrow. Why it should be break down? So it is unlikely. Next, you will get an odd number when you roll an ordinary die. It is having even chance. An ice cube will melt when it is left outside on a hot day. Certain. A heavy stone will float when it is dropped in the sea. D. very unlikely or nearly impossible. The winner of the Women Olympic 100 meters final will be aged under 35 years. That is very unlikely. Correct? Like that we have finished it. Now, if you have any question, any problem, you can ask to me. Only one chapter I think remaining. That chapter I think, which one is there? "13. So that I will cover in the next video.